What to do after BTech? Are you confused? Are you planning to pursue MTech in electrical engineering? Then join Amrita.
For anybody who wants to join any MTech course, I would say Amrita is one of the best institutions because your attitude towards learning simply changes here.
What better than a college which was located in the IT hub of the country?
Amrita also supports students with internship and placement opportunities in top companies.
One of the best things in Amrita is the placements. They give us the guarantee that they'll provide 100% placements in Amrita.
PhD scholars are provided with funded projects and quality guidance in the research work.
Amrita gives an excellent platform for research studies. It has various labs and various opportunities it provides.
We have about 6 laboratories: electrical machines lab, electrical and electronics lab, simulation lab, power electronics lab, electric drives and controls lab, electrical workshop, and power system research lab.
For better career and better opportunities, join Amrita.